Welcome to solverfy.
Hello everyone, in this problem we have to calculate moment of force about the A point due to the force acting on it. Now we have to find the force along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So here I am changing a color to understand the solution of it. This will be z-axis. If you draw here, this will be the z-axis. So this is z-axis. This angle is 30 degree. Here force is 80 Newton. So along this direction, you will get force to be 80 sine of 30. So this will be 40 Newton. And force perpendicular to z-axis, 80 cos 30, it will be 69.3 Newton. This is important to note. This portion will be in xy plane. Now you can draw the xy plane here. This is the force perpendicular z in the xy plane. Just a moment please. I am redrawing again little bit. This is this angle is 40 degree. This is 69.3. So you can resolve it into x component and y component. So x component will be 69.3 sine of 40. So this value will be 44.53 Newton. And Fy force will be 69.3 cos of 40, and this value will be 53.09 Newton. So the force at B point can be written as Fx I cap, that is 44.53 I cap, Fy j cap 53.09 j cap minus 40, Fz is 40 and negative z axis, so minus k cap Newton. Now to calculate the moment of force about the point A, since F force is applied on B, so its position vector AB, rotating arm vector AB can be written as 0.55, see the figure, I cap plus 0.4 j cap. All these are we have converted into meter. Already they are given in millimeter, but in diagram I have already converted in meter. Now moment about the point A will be cross product of AB and F force. Now substitute the value here. So this will be I cap, j cap, k cap. Now substitute the value. 0.55, 0.4, 0.2, 44.53 forces, 53.09 and minus 40. Now solve it. So you will get moment of force. Finally we will get minus 5.38 I cap 13.09 J cap 11.39 K cap and unit will be Newton into meter. So this is the final answer for this problem.